Alright guys, so for this video I'm going to go ahead and make some chicken parm, and to cut myself some time I'm going to go ahead and use this pre-made pasta sauce. But instead of just using it straight from the jar, we're going to go ahead and crush up 3 garlic cloves, and then we're going to fry that with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to add some salt, some pepper, and then if I have basil, we're going to go ahead and throw that in as well and let that simmer. This is not going to take you 3 hours. This is just going to be a quick pasta, again, pre-made. Use whatever kind you'd like. I use this one specifically for that chili taste. They're actually pretty hard to get over here, so I'm going with this one just for that spicy flavor. And for the chicken, we're going to go ahead and use this panko. And we're going to go ahead and beat a couple of eggs. We're going to dip the chicken, and we've already flattened it out pretty flat. So we're going to go ahead and just dip them and then start frying them in a hot pan with oil about 1 inch up from the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven with the sauce, and we're going to add some cheese. Stay tuned. Now we're going to add in our sauce, and we're going to add in a little bit of that Italian blend. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and break our eggs in this bowl, and then we're going to whisk them together. We might need more. I'm just gonna gauge it. It's only 2 pieces of chicken breast. We butterflied them, then we pounded them down pretty well. Got some help from the boyfriend, and it should make the cooking and the frying a lot faster, and that's what we want because we don't want the breading to get too brown and burn. Alright, and then what I did is set up a baking sheet with a rack, because after we finish dipping the chicken in the egg and then pressing down the panko, we're going to go ahead and let them rest for about 50 minutes before we actually fry them. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. You don't want it to brown, but obviously you want it to be cooked all the way through. That is why we made them as thin as we did. Five. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add the sauce to the baking sheet. Then we're going to lay the chicken on top once they're both finished. And then we're going to add more of this sauce. And guys, adding the garlic made a huge difference. So I recommend doing that with your sauce if you wanted to have a little bit more flavor instead of it just being straight from the jar. And the Italian seasoning really helped as well. And here it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and like on my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more delicious recipes.